Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the iPhone 16. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. The iPhone 16 was released in September 2024 with more additional features and overall better performance, durability, quality and overall better than the previous models. First, let's talk about its display and design. It has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels with an impressive 2000 nits of peak brightness, with its vibrant colors and clarity stand out thanks to its Dolby Vision and HDR10. It has a sleek and simple design that has a glass front, back with an aluminum frame that's also protected by ceramic shield glass with an IP68 rating that makes it dust and water resistant and weighing in just 170 grams. By the A18 chipset, the iPhone 16 delivers impressive speed and efficiency, paired with 8 gigs of RAM and available in storage options of 128 gigs, 256 gigs and 512 gigs of storage options. It's designed for heavy multitasking and intensive performance applications and running on iOS 18. It supports the latest apps, softwares and features. The dual camera setup is the highlight of the iPhone 16, featuring a 48 megapixel main camera with sensor shift OIS, delivering stunning low light photography and video. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera offers 120 degrees of field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes. New video capabilities include 4K Dolby Vision, HDR recording and up to 60 fps and 1080p slow motion at 240 fps. The front-facing 12 megapixel camera also supports 4K HDR video with spatial audio recording, making it ideal for vlogging, video calls, or snapping high-quality selfies. One of the iPhone 16's standout innovation or its features is the dedicated camera button on the side. This button allows for quick access to the camera without unlocking the phone. It mimics professional camera functionality with half press for focus or full press for capturing photos or videos, offering users more control over their photography capabilities. Its 6000 mAh battery supports wired PD 2.0 charging, offering 50% of charge in just 30 minutes, alongside 25-watt MagSafe wireless charging and even 4.5 reverse wired charge. The iPhone 16 offers 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3 and ultra-wideband to support for better connectivity. Other features include Face ID, an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass and barometer with GPS of course. The iPhone 16 is packed with innovative features like its new camera button and the A18 chipset, offering an exceptional user experience with powerful combination of performance, design and next-level camera capabilities. It's perfect for users looking for a well-rounded device with top-tier technology. And there you have it guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. See you next time.